In this video you will learn to apply 3D colorful glowing text effect in just one click. Just go to this website, link is given in description. Many heart-touching text designs are available here. Click on Download button. Open file with Adobe Photoshop. Double-click on thumbnail of text layer. Click OK. Again, double-click on thumbnail of text layer and type your name. Close this page and save changes. 3D colorful glowing text design is ready.